Do you know how to read? Know how to read. Do you know how to write? Make sure you can write. And how many of you guys like public speaking?
I've been doing it. They've been doing it. It's
Great. So that's extremely important.
Have you created anything?
Yes. So artificial intelligence is one of those things, it's a sticking point for a lot of professional artists right now. Rather than go against it, you should be either embracing it or trying to control it.
Did you guys know that there are tomato server farms that all they do is they make sure that these tomatoes are growing medium really big? Y'all know that? And did you know there's computers that are maintaining and watching how much the growth is, the production, and of course, the nutrients and everything else? That's what's going on